Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do the first segment of my beauty stash. So basically I take a different part of my collection, I show you what I have, and I tell you what I think about what I've got. Today we are going to be doing liquid lipsticks, and let me tell you, I love me some liquid lipsticks. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks. I have a lot of them. I keep them all in a case. I keep them all in a case. It's like this. These are all my liquid lipsticks, and we're just gonna go through them all. And I'm gonna show you each ones that I've got and what colors I have and what I think about them and why I like them and why I don't like them. So let's get started. We're first gonna start talking about the Milani liquid lipsticks, and I have two of these. These are the Milani Amore Matte Lip Creams. I have the color Romance and I have the color Lust, which is this dusty pink. My only problem with these is that they are very drying. Like, these are so dry. They dry in like 2 seconds, but they make my lips feel so chapped. I'm not a huge fan of these. I really need to wear like a hardcore lip conditioner under these to stand these all day. In my next drawer would be Ofra liquid lipsticks, and I got started with these when Kathleen Light came out with her liquid lipsticks. I have 2 of hers and I have 2 of the regular colors. I love these. These are so nice. They smell like cupcakes. They smell like vanilla icing, and they are stay all day. They're very nice, like, texture. They stay all day. They're overall really good liquid lipsticks. They're not drying, but they're drying, but they're not so drying that it's painful. I have the color Miami Fever, which is by Kathleen Light. Havana Nights by Kathleen Lights too. I have Americano, and I got the color Atlantic City, which is a really nice bright red. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Ofra liquid lipsticks. They're about $18, which is a little cheaper than the regular ones. Regular ones run about $20 to $24 a piece. So they're really nice. I thoroughly enjoy those, would definitely recommend them. Now we're gonna get into the good drawer. These are my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks. As you can see, I love these. These are my favorite liquid lipsticks. They are creamy, they are velvety, they're not too drying, they stay all day, the colors are nice. I overall completely love these Anastasia liquid lipsticks. So I have the color Carnina, which is like a hot pink. I have the color Vintage, which is like a purple. Heathers, which is kind of like a dark reddish. Spicy, which is like an orange one. American Doll, which is a red, a really nice classic red. Sorbet, which is a nice like plush pink. So Hollywood, which is a straight up nude. Party Pink, which is a hot pink. Vamp, which is a darker version of Heathers. Those, as you can see, are some of my favorite. I really enjoy them. They're so nice. They're so velvety. They are $20, which is more of the higher end scale, but they're so nice. My next drawer has a lot of the ones that I love too. We're going to talk about Kat Von D and Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. So for Kat Von D, I have a lot of these. I have 7. I have 7 of the liquid lipsticks, and these are nice. Kat Von D was kind of the first brand to put the liquid lipsticks on the map. Anastasia and Kat Von D were like the first 2 brands to put liquid lipsticks on the map trend. These ones, they're kind of patchy, but overall the color payoff is really nice. It's just you kind of have to put on a couple layers of them. So overall, I think it's a good option. I think these are $20, which is the same as the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, and I have the colors Lolita, the Lolita 2, Love, Bow and Arrow, Vampira, Outlaw, Santa Sangria. Overall, they're really good. The packaging is really pretty with the roses, and they always have pretty packaging. Kat Von D always does really well with those. So far, I really like them. I try to pick up all the colors I want. But overall, they're really, really nice. Super impressed with them. Definitely would purchase them. Definitely on the list of purchases. Okay, so next we're going to talk about the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, and I have 3 of them. They look like this, and I got them over the holidays. I got the Androgyny, which is like kind of like the same color as Lolita. It's a really nice nude. It had a holiday set going on, and they had the regular ones, so I bought the most popular holiday ones, did buy the ones I thought I would wear. So I have Androgyny, which is really nice. I have Doll Parts, which is more of a pink, and I have Ho Ho Ho, which is a red. So the thing with Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, they're velvety, they're nice, they stay all day, they don't crack, they don't burn, they're nice and easy. I really like them. I think his brand is one of the best liquid lipsticks out there, like stay color wise. Like they're really nice and they don't hurt throughout the day. Like sometimes you can feel your lips just like drying and cracking together and you're just like, why would I put myself through this pain? But they are really good. The only thing I would say, which I didn't know this when I purchased it, Ho 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 has glitter in it. And I was like, okay, you know, that's cool. That's kind of a cool thing to do for, you know, glitter. But it's like chunks of glitter. So when you rub your lips together, you can like feel the glitter like break up on your lips. It's not a nice texture to have. It's a beautiful color swatch and put on. It's a beautiful color, but like when you're rubbing your lips together, like you can feel that glitter and it is just not, it's not fun. Androgyny is my favorite, and it's funny because this is always sold out. I don't know how I got my hands on this, but it is really amazing. I'm super happy with this color, and this is the one I wear most often. So overall, I would definitely repurchase these. We're gonna get into another big section of my liquid lipsticks. They are the NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipsticks, and these are really nice because they are stay all day power. They aren't drying. Like the Stila liquid lipsticks, they're so drying to the point where it hurts. These are really comfortable. They feel like your lips, it feels like you have lipstick on, but it is a liquid lipstick, so it stays matte and it stays dry. I've got 8 of them, so I have 7 here to show you, and I have one in my car. The one I have in my car is soft spoken, and it is exactly just like Lolita. So if you wanted a cheaper version and the pay to $20, I think these are $11.99. They're a really good drugstore dupe for the Kat Von D ones. So the other 7 I have in front of me are Life's a Beach, Vintage, Tea and Cookies, Kitten Heels, Sandstorm, Pink Lust, and Cherry Skies. They're really nice. I absolutely adore them. I have them all except for a charcoal gray one and a black one. So the next ones we're going to talk about are the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and I really enjoy these. The only thing is they're very drying. They are stay all day, but they are going to crack your lip. So all I have is these 4 little ones, and I got them in like a holiday set, and I have the color Rico, Veneza, Beso, and Baki. These are the only ones I have. I don't have any of the big ones, so I only have a limited selection. I want to try the other ones, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But they're stay all day. It's just going to be hurtful to take them off at night. So the next ones we're going to talk about, they're not technically liquid lipsticks, but they're stay all day matte lip creams. And they're the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams, and I really like these. It's one of my favorites to wear. I really enjoy how these look on the skin and how these look on my lips. They don't dry. They dry matte, but they don't crack a lot, which is really nice. So the colors I have are Transylvania, Addis Ababa, Istanbul, Rome, Sao Paulo, Copenhagen, Antwerp, Budapest, Amsterdam, and Cannes. So I have 10. I've got 10 of the liquid lipsticks. They're very nice. I have a large color selection, so they're really affordable, and I really enjoy these. Okay, so the next brand we're going to talk about is Gerard Cosmetics, and I really enjoy these. They're kind of the same packaging as the Lime Crime ones. They just have a gold top instead of the flower rose one. And I bought the 3 most popular because that's what I wanted to try. I wanted to try the ones that everyone was talking about. And I got Serenity, Ecstasy, and Invasion. And Invasion's a very nice nude. Serenity's like a pinky color. And Ecstasy is like a purpley color. They're really nice. I'm super happy I bought these. I have no problem with these. They're really nice. Okay, so the next ones we're going to talk about, like I said, they're not completely liquid lipsticks, but they're matte, drying, stay all day lipsticks. And they're the Too Faced Melted liquid lipsticks, I guess. Yeah, liquefied longwear lipsticks. They are liquid lipsticks. This is Melted Peony, Melted Fig. I have Melted Chihuahua, and I have Melted Berry. I really like these. They are a bit drying. They're not as drying as the Stila liquid lipsticks, but they are a bit drying. So it just depends on what you want to deal with throughout the day. and how long you want your mattes to work. You're not going to find a moisturizing matte lip color. That does not happen. Unless you wear a lip conditioner underneath, it's not going to moisturize your lips. So it just depends on what you're looking for personally. Okay, so the last ones I have to talk about are the new Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipsticks. And I have 3 of them here. I have the colors Nude Flesh, Rebel Red, and Berry Boast. And I really like these. I have the L'Oreal Matte Glosses. And the only thing I hate about those is the applicator, and I wish they had more of an applicator like this. It's a nice doe foot applicator, so it's really easy to get in that upper lip and get that Cupid's bow really easily. So I did get a variety of colors. I got a red, I got a nude, I got a plum. So I did get a bunch of these, and I'm really happy I bought these. They're pretty nice. They're pretty drying though, so that's the only problem. I do like the color selection though. They've got a wide variety of colors from light to dark, so they're really easy. Alright, and that is all of my liquid lipsticks. I'm definitely going to do more of these. There's a lot of makeup here to cover and to go over. Let me know what you guys want to know next, and please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, you want to hit subscribe down below, and if you are subscribed, you want to hit that bell up at the top that lets you know whenever I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks guys, bye.